Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you guys are trying to find the fuse for the lane departure or forward facing camera, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. Also we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Most people, guys, what they will do, they will open the hood and automatically they will think, okay, the lane departure and the forward or the forward camera fuse is located right here in that fuse box under the hood, but it's not here, guys. It's actually a fuse box that controls the body control module, practically the whole body. And many of you asked us in the comment section below to share information about a good scanner that can access every computer system, and some of these modern new cars, they may have up to 40-50 computers, guys, and this is our favorite scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and you can access every computer system, guys. So now, car was in a little bit of an accident, runs and drives like a champ. We'll be fixing it soon. But where is, guys, the lane departure and forward camera system? We're going to open the trunk right here, and right now if we come where the spare tire is under the cover for the trunk and the car battery, you have one fuse box that we're going to open by pressing here and pulling up, okay, and just turn it that way. Now, let's talk why it's super important to test fuses. Fuses, guys, okay, sometimes you cannot tell if they're burnt or not. You may think you have a good fuse, you put it back in, and then you start spending time to fix a problem that doesn't exist. You keep buying parts, you waste your money. So always test fuses and relays. We'll put a link to a special video in the description of the video below, how to test fuses, relays, and that can be a lifesaver, guys. So check it out. Also, we'll share there where you can buy cheap fuses from. The fuse that we need specifically now for the lane departure and if you have a forward camera will be fuse number 45. Now, always when replacing fuses, relays, disconnect the car battery, and on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you guys do it the wrong way, you can damage the computer systems modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. So I'll remove the relay, you don't have to, but I want to show you where that fuse 45 is located. That's the fuse right here. 1, 2, 3. That third fuse. 1, 2, 3. Third 15 amp fuse. That's the fuse that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.